All the time. I've been getting that. I went to school with Noella. She knows me very well. I've been criticized since I was growing up.
So you can't be bothered?
No, I've never been bothered, ever.
So we've had artists like Ms. will come back to tell us that their managers didn't lead them well. This is the path you're leading, and people are talking about it. Are we expecting in a few years you come and tell us that you are that young because you're still in your early 20s? Are you 20 now?
I'm 20. I'm just 20.
Just 20, yeah. And so you say that, okay, Bullets led you on the wrong path.
No. Like, Bullets, honestly, like, you need someone from my past to actually tell you the kind of person I am. This is nothing. You get, that's just how Bullet tries to tone it down. Sometimes there's some outfits I want to wear to a show. Bullet was like, Bonnie, the Ghana is not ready for this year. It's crazy. Like, Bullet is the one who tried. My management cannot. If it's work, like, he knows the music industry more than I do, but Bullet is not. He can't push me to do something I don't want to do. What I say. He's the one even trying to tone it down. So now, Bonnie, you can't do this here, we can't do that.
How long do you intend to be like this?
To be Ebony.
To dress like this, to show up almost naked, to wear things that will raise eyebrows and all that.
As long as I want.
You think the Ghanaians will continue to embrace you?
They'll get used to me. You get it? They'll get used. That's the whole point of being a trendsetter.
I can't believe we'll never see you again. You will always be my friend. In our hearts you'll always reign. I can't believe we'll never see you again. You will always be my friend. In our hearts you'll always reign. Forever. Yes, if you're Ohemma dancer. Night is back and we are thankful. In our hearts you'll always reign. Can't believe no more bunny pandas, and I feel it in my soul. Why? Anytime I hear your name, I cry. Why did such a fire have to die? Bunny, why'd you go?
Ebony somebody you had a personal encounter with, or you were a fan of the music?
I was a fan of her music. Yeah, I liked her music so much, and I liked her the person so much. She's somebody you don't even need to have an encounter with her. You will just like her.
Spiritually, biblically, what you think of what is happening and the fact that we need to all learn. It's very clear to all of us as human beings that once you are born, your day of departure will come. And this is what is happening. Some will live long, maybe by the number of years, or some will live short, also by the number of years. your perspective, how do you see the life of our dear sister and the fact that she has to do this?
I mean, God giveth and He taketh, you know. But the main point is it's all about John 3:16. It said, "For God so loved the world," you know, and the world there has to do with humanity. It's all about humanity. We will just do what we have to do. She goes on to meet her maker, and we should not take the place of God by trying to, you know, say she's going to heaven, she's going. No. It's about humanity. It's God who is up.